In this video we will see how to interface GNU radio with Wi-Fi. First open a new terminal and start GNU radio. Open the GRC file. Then go to the file as shown on the screen and update the Wi-Fi's IP address. Now start the IQ Spectrum server experiment and copy the text as shown on the screen. Go to the GNU radio. In GNU radio double-click on RTLSDR source and enter the text. Note that the center frequency is 938.8 MHz, you can change it here. After updating the parameters, run the GNU radio. You can see the live power spectrum. Now you can observe the waterfall plot of the spectrum centered around 938.8 MHz. You can adjust the reference level to view the spectrum in different colors. You can also change the center frequency by adjusting slider bar at the bottom.